The truth of the matter is, tint can be as dark as you want it to be or as light as you want it to be on the vehicle. A lot of people that we talk to, they don't really know what the percentage means when we're talking about a tint percentage. So the closer that percentage is to zero, say a 5% tint, limo tint, it's pretty dark stuff. While the higher the number that is, the lighter that film's going to be, the more visible you're going to be in the vehicle. It's always important to check your state laws in terms of how dark you can actually tint your vehicle. It can be determined based off the size of the vehicle, whether it's a sedan like a Toyota Camry, a truck like a GMC Sierra, or a van, just like a Honda Odyssey. It's always important to talk with somebody at a tint shop. They can typically educate you on that state's law. They can also educate you on the different kinds of tint that they install at their shop, how they perform, and how they're going to look on your car.